1960s cover art of this edition of Lord of the Rings, which I later bought.
Sorry I didn't kiss you. It's obvious I wanted to. Answer emails. Bubblegum. I have been completely influenced on this. It's just so cool. And I'm always constantly trying to find new agendas, new journal. Actually, let me show you last year's. I love this, by the way. I hope you guys don't mind that I'm just showing you little things and trinkets. I love it. I love this. You know what? Sometimes, well, not sometimes, but a lot of times I think I overthink what do people really want to watch. And that's really not the question. Obviously, I want all of you to enjoy, these videos and this content. But it started off from just me wanting to share what I love and what makes me happy. So I think I'm going to try and lean onto that rather than overthinking. Oh, people are gonna be bored with this, or this is not as cool as it should be. The classic things that we think, and they're not true most of the time. I'm not doing an amazing job at decorating. It is super duper simple. This is the one that I had last year. It was huge, but I love how chunky it was. And of course I use this as, as like a personal journal-ish. Yeah, but I liked it, and it's good to have some memories of what I felt and what I thought of things. And then I have this one. I love it. It's just a little bit big, honestly, but this is where I took all my notes when I was taking Michelle's classes. And I love, love, love going through these. They're just so cool. There's so many things that she says that, there's so many things that she says that I apply to this day. Excellence over perfection. Don't question your worth through your art. You'll never have all the answers, but you have to ask better questions. And then of course there's transparent oxide yellow plus King's blue light equals grace on the face. We have to ask ourselves, is this telling the story that I want to tell? What is the thing that I want to capture the most? Rhythm, the lights on the face. Oh, I love the sketchbook. It was so cute. I think this was from 2022. Oh, the sketch was so cute. I feel like I can't do these things anymore. When I started this painting, it was like the first time that I was really, really into the pre-Raphael lights, and it was purely because of her. It talks all about flowers and very Shakespearean, and she has this beautiful website which I have bookmarked because I check it so often, and I took so much inspiration from her design because she's super cool. This is my sister Esmeralda, and she's just wearing a little kimono that we had at home, but I really liked it. Okay, and last one, of course, I have to show the fairy book. This is actually a notebook, but my friend Anna got this for me, and she sent it with Lunita and Mello, who are her two, I think they're parakeets. Please, Anna, correct me. I love her. I love her so much. Anna got me this adorable diary based on the Green Fairy books. I absolutely love it. She's the most thoughtful and sweetest thing ever, and I'm so happy and grateful to have her in my life. Oh my gosh, it's true. Anna, it's true. Okay, I think this is enough procrastination for the morning. Let's put these all back. After all of this sketchbook talk, which I could go on and on and on, to be honest, I want to say thank you to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. Now, this is actually my current sketchbook, and these little guys are from this month's reference pack from my Patreon. And as I was preparing to send the files and receive them, I need to make sure that everything comes through smoothly. The way Surfshark protects you is by using Clean Web, a feature that actively safeguards your online experience, and it automatically blocks over 1 million malicious websites, and phishing attempts, and other online threats. And it ensures a safer and secure connection even on public Wi-Fi, which is great for when you're traveling. Plus, you can also change your location to access a ton more content from all over the world. For instance, whenever I'm traveling in Spain, I can still watch my favorite shows from back home because I do miss them a lot. For example, The Office is not available in Spain, unfortunately. And also the version on Netflix can look completely different from the other side of the world. You can try Surfshark and get 4 extra months free at surfshark.com/AGRA, which is my last name, and I don't think I've ever pronounced it here. It's just Agra. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so why not? Thank you to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. And let's get on with this painting because we really need to finish all of our projects. I was having just a little bit of trouble with the gold foil, and I asked Talia Stanton, which is the queen of gold and, well, the queen of many other things, but I knew that she would have a great insight on how to use this actually. And basically she told me that there's 2 kinds of glues. One is the size that is just water-based, which is the regular one, and that's the one that I had from Gamblin. And there's another one that is oil-based, and I think I should have used that one. I probably should have used that one, but I just couldn't find it. I went to the store and they didn't have that, so just gotta work with it. And I just ended up using like a lot of gold and many different layers. Now I know that it didn't come as perfect as I wanted to be. I wanted to fill up the negative spaces between the flowers in the back, and I think it would have been easier if either I painted them on top of the gold or I would just be more careful with it and do it beforehand, even before painting any of the background. But you know, live and you learn, and this was my first time with using gold foil, so I actually feel very proud of this painting. I feel like I learned so much, and I'm always trying to push my limits a little bit. I think I could have done some things differently, but like I said, I'm just very proud of it, and I'm gonna say it because there's a lot of times that I don't say it, and we left that in 2024. So yes, that's what we're doing now. And I think it's done. I varnished it and now it's drying, and I like her a lot. She's really beautiful.
Fuckers out to get you. I digress. 'Cause I must make you my perfect morning. Try my best to scoop the slugger out the window. There's a praying mantis prancing in the bathtub, and you swear he's a priest from a past life out to get you. I digress, 'cause I must make you my perfect evening. Try my best to put the priest inside a jam jar.
This is a very special piece to me. I called it Returning Home, or Volviendo a Casa in Español. And it's for one of my favorite people in the whole world. She's one of those honorable, strong, determined, kind, generous people. I hope she likes it, and I hope that this makes safe travels to Spain.
And I digress, 'cause I must make you my perfect evening. Try my best to prove there's nothing out to get you. centipede, naked in your bedroom.
So I'm gonna use, this is a, I don't know what's it called actually. I think it's just a charcoal sheet, but I've used it a lot. I really like it. I know there's like a little stigma around transferring from photos or from sketches, but when you gotta paint so much, it just helps a lot of time. I think like everything, you know, don't rely solely on this. Always try to continue to sketch and to practice, because that's part of the painting. But if I need to finish that super fast, then I will just transfer it, and it's great. Again, it's great because it just saves you a lot of time. But it's not the same, but it's like you're always driving on automatic. Every once in a while you may want to practice to drive manual.
And you swear he's a priest from a past life out to get you. I digress, 'cause I must make you my perfect evening. Try my best to put the priest inside a jam jar.
Okay, I think I'm definitely playing around YouTube censorship, so I hope that it doesn't get censored. I'll probably have something up right now while I'm editing, but I think this is done. So this was another little commission for my friend Hebe, and basically she just wanted beautiful mermaid water nymph, and I have right here, I have this painting by Waterhouse, which was a huge inspiration while painting this, but I think what we wanted to get was basically just like the movement. And we love, I think actually everybody knows, especially every girl growing up, we love Peter Pan's mermaids, right? They were absolutely fabulous, and a little bit of mean girl energy. Gosh, they were just so cool. So that's kind of what we tried to capture in this one.
Try my best to prove there's nothing out to get you.